More than ever, our world needs more doctors, and you're about to embark in a bold career of medical and veterinary practices, and the opportunities are limitless.
Greetings to my fellow elated members of the class of 2025. We made it. This is our moment. Let's soak it all in. Every bit of what we have worked and prayed so hard for. And as we look to the future, let us do so with courage and optimism for all the lives we're about to impact.